Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter 2, The Mother Who Loved the Poor. Do you know who is that mother in this chapter? Can you tell me? Yes, how can we forget her, isn't it? She is none other than our Mother Teresa, who spent her whole life to the poorest of the poor. She is known as the saint of the 20th century. Let us listen to the story, The Mother Who Loved the Poor. Sabina, an old and poor widow, suffering from a serious disease, lived in a slum in Kolkata. She was without food for many days. Nobody cared for her. Nobody gave her alms as she suffered from leprosy. She lay in her hut waiting for death when she heard the sound of steps. She slowly opened her eyes and looked up. There stood a woman clad in white sari with a blue border. The woman was Mother Teresa. Mother took her to the mission house. She looked after her, gave her food, and nourished her. This is how Mother Teresa helped the poor and needy. She is known as the saint of the 20th century. She was the messenger of God on earth. Let us know more about this great soul who visited our earth. So, the story begins the woman called Sabina, who was an old poor widow suffering from serious diseases. She was suffering from leprosy. That is the reason nobody used to come near her to give her any help, because all were frightened. She was waiting for her death to come. One day, she heard the footsteps coming close to her door. She opened her eyes and saw a woman wearing white sari with the blue border. Who is that? Yes, she took her to the mission house. She was Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born on 27th August 1910. She was christened Agnes. Agnes was the youngest of the 3 children of her parents. When Agnes was 9, her father died. Dana, her mother, an ordinary housewife, had to look after the family. She started to earn her living by sewing wedding dresses and doing embroidery. Dana was a religious woman. She never failed to call her children in the evening to pray together. Mother Teresa was born 27th August 1910. And what was her name? She was called Agnes. She was the youngest of the 3 children of her parents. Her father died when she was 9 years old. And what is her mother's name? Her mother was Dana. She had to look after the family now. And what work she was doing? She started to earn her living by sewing wedding dresses and doing embroidery. And we see that in the chapter when we read it, her mother was a religious person. So, every evening she called her children to pray together. Dana was very charitable also. She was moved by the misery of the poor and the needy. She gave all help to the poor and miserable living in her neighborhood. This kind attitude of her mother filled in Agnes love for others. Agnes was 18 when she decided to spend her life doing God's work. On 25th September 1928, she joined a group of religious sisters called Loreto Sisters. She took a new name, Teresa, for herself. Now we will see from the chapter, Agnes' mother was not only prayerful but also very charitable. Means she gave all the help to the poor and miserable living in the neighborhood. Her mother's attitude and personality helped Mother Teresa also to love others. So, dear children, I stop here, and your homework is read the chapter carefully and find out the difficult words and write in your copy. Thank you.